Let us solve some important problems on Diploma Maths 2 conic section. Problem number 1. Find the focus and equation of directrix of the parabola y square is equal to 16x. First, let us write the given equation. The given equation is y square is equal to 16x. Let us compare the given equation with the standard equation of the parabola. What is the standard equation of the parabola? So we are comparing the given equation with the standard equation of the parabola, and the standard equation of the parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Now on comparing, in the left hand side we have only y square. We can write it as y minus 0 whole square. So our k is 0. And in the right hand side it is 16x. We can write it as 16 into x minus 0. So from that it is clear that our h is 0 and k is 0. Hence we got the vertex h comma k is equal to 0 comma 0. Now 4a, in 4a's place we have 16. That is a is equal to 16 by 4 and we get 4 on simplifying. Now they have asked us to find the focus. The formula for focus is h plus a comma k. We have found out our h. Our h is 0 plus our a is 4. So 0 plus 4 comma k is 0. So this will become 4 comma 0. So the focus is 4 comma 0. Now the equation of directrix will be equal to x will be equal to minus a. The formula for equation of directrix x is equal to minus a. So x is equal to minus 4. Our a is 4. So this becomes minus 4. Or we can write x plus 4 is equal to 0. Hence we have found focus and equation of directrix of the parabola. Now let us solve the second question. Find the focus, vertex and length of the lattice rectum of y square is equal to 28x. Let us first write the given equation. The given equation is y square is equal to 28x. Let us compare this with the standard equation as we have done in the problem number 1. So now we are comparing this given equation with the standard equation of the parabola, that is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. On comparing, y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square in the left hand side. So clearly our k is 0 and 28 into x can be written as 28 into x minus 0. So clearly our h is 0. Hence vertex h comma k will be 0 comma 0. Now in 4a's place we have 28. So our 4a will be equal to 28 and a will be 28 divided by 4. On simplifying we get 7. Now the focus, we have to find the focus. The formula for focus is h plus a comma k. Our h is 0, so let us substitute 0 in place of h. 0 plus a. A we have found out, a is 7 comma 0. 0 plus 7 comma 0. 0 plus 7 is 7 and 0. So focus is 7 comma 0. Now we have to find the length of the lattice rectum. We have found out the focus, we have found out the vertex, and now we are finding out the length of the lattice rectum. So what do you think is the formula for length of the lattice rectum? The length of the lattice rectum of a parabola will be equal to 4a. So 4a, in 4a's place we have 28. So 4a is equal to 28 is the length of the lattice rectum. Now let us solve the third problem. Find the vertex, directrix and focus of the parabola y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8x. First let us write the given equation. The given equation is y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8x. Let us compare this with the standard equation of the parabola. We already know the standard equation of the parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So the left hand side of the given equation is y minus 2 whole square. That means our k is 2. And see the right hand side, it is 8x, that is 8 into x minus 0 you can write. So on comparing, we get h comma k is 0 comma 2. That is our h is 0 and k is 2. Now 4a, in place of 4a we have 8 in the given equation. So 4a will be equal to 8 and a will be equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. Now we have to find the focus. The formula for focus, as we have already discussed in the previous problem, h plus a comma k. The value of h is 0 plus the value of a is 2 comma the value of k is 2. So this becomes 2 comma 2. So the focus is 2 comma 2. Now we are finding the directrix of the parabola. What do you think is the formula for the directrix of the directrix of the parabola? The formula for the directrix of the parabola is x is equal to h minus a. Our h is 0 minus a. A is 2. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 is the equation of the directrix. Hence we have found vertex, directrix and focus in the question number 3. Now let us solve the question number 4. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex 2, 0 and focus 5, 0. First let us write whatever is given. Vertex is given. So vertex is 2, 0, that is h, k. Our h is 2 and k is 0. Now let us write the focus. The focus is given 5, 0, that is the formula for focus is h plus a, k. That is in h plus a we have h plus a's place we have 5 and k's place we have 0. So our h plus a is equal to 5. We know the value of h. H is 2 plus a is equal to 5 and a will be equal to 5 minus 2 when we shift the 2 to the other side. So this becomes 3. So the value of a is 3. Now the parabola. The standard form of the parabola is, already we have studied what is the standard form of the parabola. The parabola is of the form x. The parabola is of the form y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. What is the form of the parabola? Y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h is the parabola. Now y minus, what is k? K is 0 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into a is 3 and x minus h. H is 2. So this becomes y minus 0 is y. So y square is equal to 4 3 is 12 and x minus 2. Y square is equal to 12 into x minus 3 is the equation of the parabola. So we have found the equation of the parabola. Now let us solve the fifth question. Find the length of the axis, eccentricity and foci of the hyperbola x square by 36 minus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Let us first write the given equation. The given equation is x square by 36 minus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Now let us compare this to the standard equation of the hyperbola. So we are comparing the given equation with the standard equation of the hyperbola. What do you think is the standard equation of the hyperbola? Yes, the standard equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So comparing, in a square's place we have 36. So a square will become 36. A will be root 36, that is equal to 6. A is 6. Now the transverse axis. What do you think is the transverse axis? Transverse axis is given by 2a. The transverse axis of the hyperbola is 2a. So 2 into 6 becomes 12. So 2a is equal to 12. That is 2 into 6 is 12. Now let us find the value of b. So in our b's place we have b square is equal to 25. That is our b will be equal to root 25. That will be equal to 5. Hence b value is 5. Now we are finding the conjugate axis. So what do you think is the formula for conjugate axis? The conjugate axis of the hyperbola is given by 2b. So 2 into b is 5. 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Now let us find the eccentricity. The eccentricity of the hyperbola is given by square root of a square plus b square divided by a. The formula for eccentricity of the hyperbola is square root of a square plus b square divided by a. That is square root of a square is 36 and b square is 25. So 36 plus 25 divided by 6. 36 plus 25 is 61. So this becomes root 61 divided by 6. Now we have to find the foci. The formula for foci is plus or minus ae comma 0. So this becomes plus or minus, the value of a is 6. So 6 into e, eccentricity e is root 61 by 6. So let us write 6 into root 61 by 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled and root 61 will be remaining, comma 0. So foci will be plus or minus root 61 comma 0.